Good morning students. Sai Ram. Now in today's class we are going to start with mental maths. Now we are going to start with assignment 1. Okay children? Assignment 1 will be of chapter 1 geometrical figures. Understood? You have to write this in your maths notebook. You have to give the heading first, mental maths assignment 1. Understood children? Now let us start with first question. Okay? Now the question is, two adjacent sides of a book make a dash angle. I am repeating, two adjacent sides of a book make a dash angle. What is the answer? Yes, it is right angle. You have learnt na three different type of angles. Yes, so the answer is right angle. Now let us go to second question. When two rays meet and dash is formed. When two rays meet and dash is formed. I'll draw and show you children. Wait. Now I'll draw one ray first, okay? I will draw other ray now. So what is formed in this children? What will be the answer? When two rays meet and dash is formed. What is the answer? Yes, an angle is formed. Very good. Now we will see third question. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an dash angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an dash angle. I'll draw right angle and show you children. Okay, this is your right angle. Now, the angle which is smaller than a right angle. So, you should know the answer, right? What is the answer? Acute angle. What is the answer? Acute angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an which angle? Acute angle. Now we will do question number 4. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an dash angle. Now I have shown you right angle, right? So you should know the answer. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an dash angle. What is the answer? Obtuse angle. Yes. What is the answer? Obtuse angle. What is the spelling of obtuse? O-B-T-U-S-E. You have to learn the spellings also, children. Now, fifth number. A dash is drawn using a compass. Okay. What is the question? A dash is drawn using a compass. You know what is a compass, right? What you will draw using a compass? Yes, what it is? A circle. What is drawn using a compass? Circle. What is the spelling of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. You should learn the spellings, okay? Okay, children. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. What is a rectangle known as? Now you know now what is a rectangle? Yes. What is the other name of rectangle? Tell me, children. It is right angled quadrilateral. Yes. What is the answer? It is right angled quadrilateral. You know the meaning of quadrilateral, isn't it? Any four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. So what is a rectangle known as? Rectangle is known as right angled quadrilateral. Right angle, because all the angles of a right angle are rectangle are right angles. Understood? Okay, now let's go to next question. A square has dash sides. A square has dash sides. Now I will draw and show you a square. Then you can count the number of sides. Now I have drawn a square there, right? How many sides are there in this figure? You can count and tell me, children. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? Yes. So what will be your answer? 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. Now we will go to number 8. Okay. Name the figure which has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Now you know what are sides and vertices, right? So you should know the figure also. You have learnt na? Yes. What is the name of that figure? Yes. It is a triangle. Now if I draw a triangle here, see. Okay. Now in triangle you can see how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 sides, right? And how many vertices are there? This 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 vertices and 3 sides. Now next one. 9th question. The largest chord of a circle is known as a dash. The largest chord of a circle is known as a dash. What it is known as? Yes, it is called a diameter. What it is called? Diameter. Now say the spelling of diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Say again. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Diameter. Remember the answer. Okay, children? Now, 10th one. The point where 2 sides meet is called a dash. The point where 2 sides meet is called a dash. Now, what is the answer? Vertex. Now, I'll show you how it is. Wait. What is the answer? The point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. Now, suppose if I draw a square, right? Now, you can see the point where these 2 sides are meeting. So, this is called a vertex. Here also it is a vertex. Here also it is a vertex. So, a square has how many vertices? 4, right? So, where 2 sides are meeting, that is called a vertex. Now, we will see 11th question. A line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle is called a dash. A line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle is called a dash. What it is called? Yes, it is called a radius. I'll show you how. Now suppose if I draw a circle, a line segment that connects the center to a point. Now suppose this is the center. Okay, from the center I can connect to the point on the circle. So this is called what? Radius. Okay. Now we will see 12th one. What is the shape of a handkerchief? Now if I draw a handkerchief, see here. What is the shape of the handkerchief? Yes. Yes, it is which shape? Square shape. You all use na handkerchief? Yes. So you know the shape of a handkerchief. Now we will see 13th question. How many vertices are there in a rectangle? Let me draw the shape and then I am going to ask you. How many vertices are there in a rectangle? You can see the rectangle shape. You know vertices, right? Count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So how many vertices are there in a rectangle? 4. Very good, children. Now 14th question. In a clock at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the minute hand and the hour hand are at dash angles to each other. Pay attention, I am repeating the question. In a clock at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the minute hand and the hour hand are at dash angles to each other. Now you know angles. Wait, what is the answer then? Yes, it will be at which angles? At right angles. If you see the time, 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, which angle it makes? Right angle, right? So the answer is right angles to each other. What is the spelling of right? Yes, R-I-G-H-T. Say again. R-I-G-H-T. Very good. Now we will see 15th question. The dash sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Now let me draw. The dash sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Now I will draw a rectangle. Now when you see the rectangle, which sides are of equal length? Yes, if you see, this side is equal to this side, right? And this side is equal to this side. So what it is called? What is the answer? Yes, it is opposite sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. What is the spelling of opposite? Yes, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Say again, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite. Now, next question. A triangle has dash angles. A triangle has dash angles. Now here, if you see, I had drawn a triangle, right? How many angles you can see in this triangle, children? Yes, see here. 1, 2, 3. How many angles are there in this triangle? 3. So what is your answer? A triangle has 3 angles. Yes, very good. Now, 17th question. The slide makes one dash angle and one dash angle with the ground. Now, you all like to play on the slide. when you go in the garden, right? You go in the garden and you play on the slide, na children? Yes. Then you must have observed which two angles it makes. What is the answer? The slide makes one acute angle and one, yes, obtuse angle with the ground. Now you know the difference between acute angle and obtuse angle, right? So your answer is the slide makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the ground. What is the spelling of acute? A-C-U-T-E. Repeat again. A-C-U-T-E. Acute. And spelling of obtuse? O-B-T-U-S-E. O-B-T-U-S-E. Learn the spellings, children. Now 18th question. What is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle called? Wait, I'll draw and show you. Now, suppose I had drawn a circle, right? What is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle called? Now, suppose if I draw any 2 points on the circle like this. What it is called, children? What will be the answer? Think and tell me. Yes, it is called what? A chord, right? Answer is chord. Spelling of chord is what? C-H-O-R-D. Say again. C-H-O-R-D. Very good. So with this, we have completed our assignment 1 from chapter 1. Okay, children? Thank you.